Hello, my little mathematicians. Today I'm going to help you get started on your MAD maze homework. All right, so you start right here, okay, and they want you to find the MAD value of this data set 15, 17, 23, and 19. And then depending upon what answer you get, if you get 2 or 2.5, that will then tell you which path you go next. So is this problem number 2 or is this problem number 2? Well, it depends upon what answer you get. We're going to show our work, obviously not here, but instead of saying a separate sheet of paper, we provided you these nice little tables to show your work in. So the first thing we do is we write down the numbers from the data set. So if you look on the other page, your numbers in the data set were 15, 17, 23, and 19. Okay, those were the numbers from that data set. You want to find the mean of those. So add them all together, 15 plus 17 plus 23 plus 19. What do you get? You get 74. And to find the mean, you divide that by how many numbers there were. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Well, 74 divided by 4 is 18.5. So that is your mean value. And I'm going to put that here. Because when you find the MAD, you find the mean twice. You find it of the whole data set. Then you subtract each data value from the mean and you find the distance between the mean and each data value. Then you're going to find the mean of those distances. So 18.5 minus 15 is 3.5. 18.5 minus 17 is 1.5. 18.5 minus 23 is negative 4.5, but technically it's positive 4.5. You're finding the absolute value of the distance between them. So these values are always going to be positive, okay? And then my last distance between each other is 0.5. So add all those distances or differences together, okay? 3.5, 1.5, 4.5, and 0.5, and you get 10. And find the mean of those. Well, there's 4 numbers in the data set. So 10 divided by 4 is 2.5, which means your MAD value is 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 is here. So that makes this problem number 2, which means you're going to find the MAD value of these numbers, and then depending upon what you get is where you go. So if you get 3.5, this is your next data set. If you get an answer of 4, this is your next data set. Or if you get an answer of 3, this is your next data set. Okay, so it's dependent upon what answer you get. That tells you which data set to do next. Okay, well, this was question number 2. So in the second box, I'm going to get started. Okay, your data values were 98, 96, 86, 95, 94, and 92. Okay, just like we did before, you're going to find the average of these, put it here, then find the distances that each data value is from the mean, and then find the mean of those. Depending upon what answer you get, that's going to tell you where to go. If you get an answer of 3.5, this is your next problem. If you got a final answer of 4, this is your next problem. If you get a final answer of 3, then that's your next problem. Okay, keep going until you get to the finish right here. All right, my hint to you is you should end up doing a total of 7 problems, okay, by the time you go all the way through to get here. All right, my little mathematicians, good luck. You got this.